Have you ever wondered why email marketing remains a crucial tool for businesses, despite the rise of social media and other digital marketing channels? The answer lies in its power to create a direct, personalized connection with your audience. Unlike social media, where messages can easily get lost in a sea of information, email marketing allows you to cut through the noise and reach your audience in a more intimate environment, their inbox. This direct line of communication can lead to increased sales and a stronger bond between your brand and your customers. Plus, with email marketing, you're not just reaching out, you're building a relationship. You're fostering loyalty by consistently delivering value directly to your customers, ensuring that your brand stays top of mind. So if you're not leveraging email marketing yet, it's high time you do. Stay tuned to discover how you can maximize the potential of email marketing for your business. Before diving into the deep end, it's important to understand what exactly is email marketing. In the simplest terms, email marketing is the use of email to promote products or services. But it's not just about selling, it's a powerful tool to build relationships with potential customers, nurture them into loyal clients, and continue engaging with existing ones. So why is email marketing such an effective tool for businesses? Well, consider this. There are over 4 billion email users worldwide. That's more than half the global population. And unlike social media platforms, email isn't subject to changing algorithms that can affect your reach. Your message goes straight into the recipient's inbox, giving you direct communication with your audience. Now let's talk about the types of email marketing. First, there are promotional emails. As the name suggests, these are emails that promote a product, service, or special offer. They're designed to drive sales and often include a call to action like buy now or sign up today. Next, we have transactional emails. These are automated responses triggered by a customer's action, like making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Transactional emails can include order confirmations, shipping notifications, and welcome messages. They're a great way to keep customers informed and engage them further. Lastly, there are newsletters. These are regular emails sent to subscribers that provide valuable content, like industry news, tips and tricks, or company updates. Newsletters help keep your brand top of mind and nurture ongoing relationships with your subscribers. Each type of email plays a significant role in your marketing strategy, and using them effectively can help you reach your business goals. Now that we have a basic understanding of email marketing, let's delve into how to create a successful email marketing campaign. The success of your email marketing campaign starts with building a solid email list. So how do you build that list? Well, there are numerous strategies to consider, each with its own set of benefits. Let's delve into a few of the most effective ones. Firstly, lead magnets are a powerful tool for enticing potential subscribers. These are valuable resources offered to your audience in exchange for their email address. Think along the lines of a free ebook, an informative webinar, or an exclusive discount. The key is to offer something that your audience can't resist, something that provides immediate value and aligns with their interests. Next up, sign up forms on your website. This is a classic yet highly effective method. It's all about making it as easy as possible for visitors to join your email list. Incorporate these forms into your blog posts, your homepage, and even your about page. The easier it is for someone to subscribe, the more likely they are to do so. But don't stop there. Social media promotions can also be a goldmine for building your email list. Use your social platforms to promote your lead magnets, share the benefits of joining your email list, and even run giveaways that require an email address to enter. This not only increases your email list, but also boosts engagement on your social channels. Remember, quality over quantity is the mantra here. It's not just about having the largest email list, but the most engaged one. Focus on attracting those who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer, those who will open, read, and engage with your emails. It's also worth noting that building an email list isn't a one-and-done task. It's an ongoing process. Regularly revisit your strategies, analyze what's working and what's not, and tweak your approach accordingly. With a solid email list in place, it's time to focus on creating engaging content. And remember, a good email marketing campaign is like a well-cooked meal. You need the right ingredients in the right proportions, cooked for the right amount of time. Your email list is one of those key ingredients, so nurture it well and watch your campaign thrive. Engaging content is the heart of a successful email marketing campaign. Now you might be wondering, how do I create content that not only grabs attention but also generates interest, incites desire, and prompts action? Let's dive into that. Firstly, it's crucial to remember that not all content is created equal. What works for one audience might not work for another. A deep understanding of your audience is the key to crafting content that resonates with them. Are they young professionals or seasoned executives? Are they looking for quick tips or in-depth guides? Tailor your content to their needs, preferences, and pain points. The next step is to ensure your content is relevant. Relevance is the currency of the digital world. Users are bombarded with information every second, and they have little patience for content that doesn't serve their immediate needs. So how do you make your content relevant? By staying on top of industry trends, understanding your customer's journey, and delivering value at every stage of that journey. Now let's talk about personalization. Personalization is more than just inserting a recipient's name into an email. It's about understanding your audience's behavior, preferences, and needs, and then tailoring your content accordingly. Personalized content can increase engagement, boost conversion rates, and build customer loyalty. Last but certainly not least, let's discuss the importance of a compelling subject line. Your subject line is your first and perhaps only chance to grab your reader's attention. It should be concise, clear, and compelling. It should incite curiosity and promise value. Remember, a great subject line can make the difference between your email being opened or being relegated to the trash folder. So there you have it. Crafting engaging content is a mix of understanding your audience, delivering relevant content, personalizing your message, and creating compelling subject lines. With these elements in place, you're well on your way to creating an email marketing campaign that not only grabs attention but also generates interest, incites desire, and prompts action. Once you've created engaging content, it's time to evaluate your campaign's performance. Email marketing is not a set-it-and-forget-it kind of tool. It requires continuous evaluation and adjustment. Now you might wonder, how does one evaluate an email marketing campaign? The answer lies in tracking key metrics. These are the lifeblood of your campaign, the data that tells you how well your emails are performing. Let's delve into a few critical ones. First off, we have the open rates. This is the percentage of recipients who open your email. Low open rates might indicate that your subject lines aren't quite hitting the mark, or perhaps your emails are landing in the dreaded spam folder. Next up, click-through rates. This metric tells you how many of your email recipients are clicking on the links in your email. A low click-through rate might signal that your email content isn't resonating with your audience, or your calls to action aren't compelling enough. And then, the conversion rates. This is where the rubber meets the road, as it shows you the percentage of recipients who took the desired action after clicking through your email. If your conversion rate is low, it could be a sign that your landing page or offer needs tweaking. Now, these metrics are important, but they aren't set in stone. That's where A/B testing comes in. This method involves sending two slightly different versions of an email to different segments of your audience to see which performs better. A/B testing can help you hone in on what works and what doesn't, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. And finally, feedback and analytics. These are your best friends in the world of email marketing. Pay attention to what your audience is telling you, both directly through feedback and indirectly through their actions. Adjust your campaign based on these insights to ensure it remains effective and relevant. By evaluating and adjusting your campaign, you ensure that your email marketing remains an effective tool for your business. Remember, email marketing is a journey, not a destination. So, keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep improving. Let's recap on what we've learned today about email marketing. We've discovered the immense power of this digital tool. It's not just about sending emails, it's about building relationships, fostering customer loyalty, and driving conversions. Next, we dove into the process of constructing your email list. Remember, quality trumps quantity. It's better to have 100 engaged subscribers than 1,000 disinterested ones. Then we explored the art of crafting engaging content. Your email should be a delightful mix of value and promotion. They should educate, entertain, and encourage action. Finally, we looked at how to evaluate your campaign. Don't shy away from the numbers. They're your friends. Open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates are your guiding stars, leading you towards improvement and success. With these tips in hand, you're well on your way to creating a successful email marketing campaign. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more practical and informative content.